Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy an influencer marketing campaign with Instagram, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by defining your campaign goals and objectives. Identify what you want to achieve through your influencer marketing campaign. Consider metrics such as brand awareness, engagement, or sales. Next, establish your target audience. Research the demographics, interests, and behaviors of the users you want to reach. Select the appropriate Instagram influencers for your campaign. Look for influencers whose audience aligns with your target demographic. Evaluate their engagement rates, content quality, and authenticity. Once you have a list of potential influencers, reach out to them. Craft personalized messages that highlight why you chose them for your campaign. Be clear about your brand values and campaign goals in your communication. Negotiate the terms of collaboration with the selected influencers. Discuss compensation, deliverables, and timelines. Ensure both parties are clear on expectations to avoid misunderstandings. Develop a creative brief for your influencers. Provide guidelines on branding, messaging, and content style. Encourage them to infuse their unique voice while adhering to your brand guidelines. Create a campaign timeline that outlines key milestones and deadlines. Plan for the execution of posts, stories, and any other content formats. Once everything is agreed upon, monitor the content creation process. Offer assistance if the influencers require any additional resources or information. When the campaign launches, track the performance in real time. Use Instagram Insights or other analytics tools to measure engagement, reach, and other relevant metrics. Adjust your strategy based on the data collected to optimize for better results. After the campaign concludes, conduct a thorough analysis of its overall performance. Evaluate how well the campaign met your initial goals and objectives. Gather feedback from the influencers about their experience working with your brand. Compile all the insights and results into a comprehensive report. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.